Hey, so if you've ever opened TradingView and felt a bit lost, yeah, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use TradingView step by step, from setting up your chart to actually analyzing it. First things first, go ahead and sign in or create a free account if you don't have one yet. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, click on Chart at the top. That's where all the magic happens. This is your main workspace. Now, up at the top left, you'll see a search bar. Type in the asset you want, like Bitcoin, Apple, or, any stock or crypto. Next, choose your time frame. You can switch between 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, whatever fits your strategy. If you want to analyze trends, click on Indicators and pick one, like RSI or Moving Average. Just click and it'll appear on your chart. On the left side, you've got drawing tools. You can draw trend lines, mark support, and resistance, stuff like that. And yeah, don't forget to save your layout so you don't lose your setup. Just click Save at the top. And that's basically it. You're now ready to start exploring TradingView. Take your time, test things out, and always do your own research before making any trades.